Let's talk about something no one wants to admit. Real estate feels broken. We live in a world of hyper-evolution. We order cars with an app. We generate art with AI. We launch rockets and land them back with precision. But try to buy an apartment, and it's like time stopped 200 years ago. You're handed a floor plan on paper, maybe a static or a panorama 360 render. You're expected to imagine your future through a brochure. No emotion, no scale, no experience, just dots and lines. This is a multi-100,000 € decision, and it's treated like a fax. At MADSPACE, we believe the way we sell homes is not just outdated, it's fundamentally disconnected from how people think, feel, and decide in the 21st century. Iris powered by MADSPACE is not a tool, it's a mindset shift. It's a completely new user experience for a system that hasn't changed in 200 years. Why 200? Because modern real estate sales still echo the Industrial Revolution. Plans, price lists, sales pitches, but people don't buy with logic alone. They buy with vision, with feeling, with story. With Iris, we give that story a shape, a voice, a world to walk through. No longer just a floor plan, but a future you can enter, a space you can understand intuitively, emotionally. We're not digitizing brochures, we're rebooting the way real estate is experienced. Because real innovation doesn't ask how to improve the old, it asks what the future needs. And the future needs Iris. See tomorrow today.